Moving into my new apartment, I need something to help me clean it up and keep it clean. That's why I got this Libman High Power Broom right here. Proud to say it is made in the USA. So let's get it open, take a closer look, and put it to work. From end to end, the bristles measure about 13.5 inches, and they have a depth of about 1.25 inches, and they stand roughly 6.25 inches tall. So these are flagged bristles, and one of the things that you're gonna notice on them is that they have two different colors here. And the significance of that is that these red bristles over here are gonna be the one that has the wider angle against the floor, meaning it's gonna be better to get into the corners with. One of the things that I really like about this broom is that it has a stainless steel shaft. That means it's gonna be stronger than one that's just made out of plastic. That means it's more durable and it's gonna last longer. It's also got this grip right here that has an ergonomic design that makes it easy to grip, and it also has this hanger loop to make it easy to store. So let's get to work on sweeping the kitchen and see how well it actually works. Let's get rid of this weird pile of dirt right here. And you can see how the wide angle gets right down into the corner like that. In either direction, it's really nice, and it really picks up everything out of there. Now, one of the things that I'm really liking about using this broom is that being at 6 foot 1 inch tall, and it's such a tall broom, I don't have to bend over and hurt my back while I'm brooming. I can just simply have at it and go at the floor while I'm standing straight up. And that's because the broom itself measures about 53 inches tall. Now, out of all this flooring right here, it managed to scoop up all this gross stuff, and some of that trash came from underneath over there, which the previous tenants left behind. But let's get it into a dustpan and see how well that works. And I'm using a Libman dustpan here if you're curious, but it really does a good job. It basically got everything in just that one scoop there. I don't even have to do the sideways trick where you go like this to get the rest of it in. It pretty much scooped up everything. All right. And lastly, I know some people will be curious to see if it works outside. Let's take it out to the driveway and see if we can sweep up some leaves. And there you go. Apparently it does sweep pretty well outside. And that's because it has these pretty strong bristles right here that can survive even concrete like this. So if there's any negatives to it, it's definitely not a lightweight broom. Because of this steel shaft right here, it's a little bit heavier, but it's nothing that really negatively impacts my workflow. I didn't really notice any difference from using any other broom. And with the advantage of it being such a tall broom and I can sweep with it standing upright, I really appreciate that. And I've read from other customers that this thing really lasts a long time. I even read one review where one person said that they've been using this same broom for decades and it's still going strong for them.